Hello, welcome. My name is Kobe and this is KaiTech. Now in today's video, we are going to learn how to install a theme and then a plugin. You have a WordPress website. You are trying to learn WordPress website and you are finding challenges in installing a theme and a plugin. This video is right for you, okay? So I'm going to move straight to my computer and then we start the process. Don't go anywhere, stick with me. Alright guys, so this is my backend. This is the backend of my website. Now, like I said, we're going to install a plugin and then a theme, okay? So that is what we're going to do. Now the first one that we're going to do is, now before we even start, if you are new over here, if you are new over here, please subscribe to the channel for me, please subscribe to the channel, okay, so that we move forward. Okay, so now let's go. We are going to install the first one, which is a theme. Okay, now we're going to do two things. We can install a theme from WordPress repository, or we can upload it ourselves. Okay, so that is what we're going to do. So the first one that we're going to do is to install it from WordPress repository. Okay, so now let's go. To install a theme, you need to log into your backend, and then when you are here, you hover onto appearance over here. Okay, now from appearance, you're going to see themes over here, themes over here. Okay, so click on the theme. Now these are the themes that we have on our website. Okay, these are the installed themes, and this one alone is the activated one. Okay, so these are the installed themes that we have on this website. So we can check it and see how the site looks like. This is an empty website with nothing. This is how the website looks like as of now. Okay, so let's install a new theme. To change the look and feel of this website. Okay, so to install a new theme, all what we need to do is to click on add new. Okay, add new, or the big button over here is also what add new. Okay, so add new theme over here. So I'm gonna click on here, add new, and then over here the search bar over here. Okay, I will search for the theme that I want. Okay, now you can see there's so many themes over here, a lot of them, so many of them. Okay, so any theme that maybe you know the name already or whatever it is, you can decide to search for it. Okay, now I'm going to install a theme called Oceanwp. So I'll type in the name over here, and this is Oceanwp. Okay, so all what I need to do is to hover on it and then click on install. Alright guys, so the theme is installed. The theme is now installed. As you can see, it is installed. So if you want to activate the theme, we click on activate. Okay, to activate this theme. So the theme is installed and activated. Okay, so the first theme, as we checked the other time, it was a different theme over here. Okay, so this is a different theme that we have installed. We installed and activated Oceanwp. Okay, now let's go and check our website and see if something has happened to our website. So let's refresh the website. Yeah, so you can see the theme has changed. Everything has changed. Okay, it's not the same again. So that is how you can install a theme, okay, from WordPress repository. Now we are going to install the theme from a different site. Now we're going to upload it, okay, onto the website. So we are not going to look up for it from the WordPress repository again, but this time around we are going to do it. We are going to upload it from our local drive or from our computer to the website. Maybe we downloaded it from somewhere else, and then we want to upload that theme and use that theme. Okay, so we can also, the same way, you hover on appearance, go to themes, okay, and then come to add new. add new. Now if you come to add new, this time around we are not going to search, but if you see this one over here, add themes over here, we have what? Upload theme. Okay, upload theme, and that is what we are going to use to upload our theme from our computer to the website. Okay, so we're going to use this button over here, upload theme, to upload our new theme. So we will click on upload themes. Okay, so let's click on upload themes here, and then what we are going to do is we are going to upload the themes and the theme that we want to install on the WordPress on this website. So let's click on choose file and then look for the theme. That is what I want to upload. Okay, so I'll click on it and click on open. Now I click on install. Alright guys, so as you can see over here, the theme is successfully installed. Okay, it is installed successfully. So what we have to do is to activate the theme. Okay, so to activate the theme, just click on activate over here. So let's click on activate. Now guys, the theme is successfully activated. Okay, so new theme activated, visit site. So if we go to our WordPress site, if you go over there, you can see that our site have changed. Okay, the look and feel has changed. It is no more the Oceanwp, but this time around it is the Cadence theme that we are using. Okay, so that is it. Now our next step is to install plugin. Okay, our next step is to install a plugin. So we're going to look at how to install plugins. Okay, now plugins are they are softwares that add some functionalities to our website. Okay, so if you want to maybe install maybe have a form on your website, you need a plugin to help you create that form. If you want to maybe turn your website into an e-commerce website, you need a plugin that will help you create that e-commerce website. A whole lot of things that you want to do. So basically plugins add some functionalities to our website. Okay, so to add plugins, now we're going to add a contact form plugin to help us design the contact page. Okay, so to add a plugin, we hover on plugins over here and then come to add new. We click on add new. Alright guys, so this is the plugin directory or the repository. Okay, so you can get a whole lot of plugins over here. Now as you can see, plugins, like I said, it's add some functionalities to your WordPress website. Okay, so whatever you want to do, you need a plugin to support you to be able to do it. So in the search bar over here, we type in the keyword that we want to search for, or the item or whatever the plugin name that we want to search for. So what we have to do is to type in forms. Okay, alright guys, so this is the forms. There are so many different kinds of forms over here. So what you have to do is to choose the one that you are looking for. So I am looking for this one, the WP forms. Okay, so what I have to install now to install it for me. So the form is successfully installed. So what we have to do is to click on this blue button over here which says activate, to activate for us. So let's click on it. Now our plugin is activated. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so what we have to do is when you go back over here and go to installed plugins, you have to see the plugin, the form that you install, the plugin that you install over there. So let's check it and see. Let's check it and see. Alright guys, so as you can see, these are this one is only the one installed on this website. So this is what WP Forms that we are going to, the plugin that we installed just now. Now our next one is how to install the plugin from our computer. Okay, we have the file on our computer and we want to install it on our website, just as the way we did it with the themes. Okay, so we're gonna do it with this one too. So what we have to do is you see the add new over here. Okay, so let's click on add new. Now this time around we are not going to search the plugins. Okay, so we click over here, upload plugin. Okay, this one, the button over here. Now when this one opens for us, we can choose a file over here or drag the file over here. So we click choose file, locate where our plugin is. So we're going to install Elementor, so we click on it and then we open it, or we can decide to open our plugin from this folder and then just drag it over here. Okay, you can also do it the same way, and then the next step is to click on install now. Alright guys, so our plugin is successfully installed. Okay, now the next step is for us to activate the plugin. So we click on activate plugin, this blue button. Now our plugin is successfully activated. Welcome to Elementor, as you can see over there. So our plugin is successfully activated. Now let's go to all the plugins. So let's go to plugins over here and go to installed plugins. You will see that we have only 2 plugins installed on this website. So as you can see, Elementor and then WP Forms Lite. Okay, these are the 2 plugins that we have. Now they said I should update the plugin because it is out of date. Okay, so you can see view version 3. Blah blah details or update now. So I can just click on here to update it. Alright guys, so the plugin is updated successfully. Okay, that is it. So thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, and the next video, see you in the next video. Now I have a video whereby you can watch and learn how to create a website, and also learn how to create your own music website. Okay, so guys, you can watch it, this one. Yeah, don't forget to watch it, how to create your own music website. Okay, it is very informative, and I entreat that you enjoy watching that video and then you learn so much from it. So see you in the next video, and please share this video. Share. Thank you.